Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. In the fascinating world of English language, there is a pair of words that sound the same but spell and mean different things. They are called homonyms. For example, break, spelled B-R-E-A-K, can refer to a pause, like taking a coffee break in the middle of a busy day. Break can also mean to shatter or destroy something, like when you accidentally break an item. On the other hand, a break, spelled B-R-A-K-E, is a device used to slow down or stop a moving vehicle. For example, picture yourself in a car pressing the brake pedal to stop at a red light. So remember, while these two words sound identical, break and break have different meanings and uses. It's just one of the many quirks that make English a unique and interesting language to learn. Before taking your next break, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.